Hi guys, Pamela here. Welcome on my channel. Today I want to share with you how to create your original t-shirt step by step using of textile paints. If you like this video, give a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my weekly artistic creations. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will try to answer to all of them. Okay, so let's begin. Before you start to create anything, make sure your t-shirt is washed and dried. I put on it a white A3 paper which is showing me the painting space on which I'm going to create a sketch of the wall for the future painting. When you are placing the paper on the t-shirt surface, make sure the paper is not located too low or too high, otherwise the painting won't be in the middle of the t-shirt. Now it's time to create a sketch. Don't hurry up with it. Make sure it looks exactly like you want it to look after the painting is done. You can also use a ready-made stencils, but I'm focusing on handmade painting today. After creating the sketch, replace it with a single line to make it as simple as possible, but still make sure it keeps the right shape. The next step is to cut out the stencil. Before I start to draw the walls on the t-shirt, firstly I slip the carton box inside the t-shirt in order to make the surface even and prevent it from moving during painting. After that, I place the cutter shape of the walls on the t-shirt exactly where I want it to be. I take a white chalk pencil and I draw the edges of the wall's head. Then I cut off the next piece of the paper to mark exactly where the muzzle is placed. The same I do with nose and the eyes. I mark individual tufts of hair. Before painting, make sure that the t-shirt surface is dust-free. I'm using sticky roller to get rid of any unwanted dirt. Now it's time to paint. I use textile paints which can be easily mixed with water. I create the first layer and let the paint sink into the cotton material. the second layer, I'm painting individual hair. It's time to add more details and create more shades. Then I go with the next layers to make the painting look even more realistic. Before painting is done, I'm adding some additional light to the fur and I'm creating the whiskers. the painting is ready. I leave it for 24 hours when it will be completely dry. The t-shirt is ready to be ironed after 24 hours of drying. I leave the t-shirt on the back side and I iron it evenly, carefully not to burn the material. After that, the t-shirt is ready to be worn. Remember to wash it in the temperature not higher than 104 Fahrenheit. And now our t-shirt is done. Thank you all of you guys for watching my video. I hope you find something valuable here will help you to create your own original t-shirt. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss any of my art tutorials. Have a great day. Bye!